scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahma, class 9. Today, we are going to see what is Paramathma. There is one Shanti mantra attached to each Upanishad. It is to be chanted first before going to the Upanishad. That means, without understanding the meaning of this chanting mantra, it is impossible to understand what is explained in this Upanishads. In connection with the Paramatma, there is a Shanti mantra that shows the importance of understanding this Paramatma scientifically. Otherwise, it is not possible to understand what is given in the Upanishads. So, we should go to that Shanti mantra first.
ആത്മാവിനെ പറ്റി അഥർവവേദത്തിലെ ശാന്തി പാഠം പറയുന്നത് നോക്കാം. ഓം ആപ്യായന്തു മമാംഗാനി വാക്പ്രാണചക്ഷുഃ ശ്രോത്രമഥോ ബലമിന്ദ്രിയാണി ച സർവാണി സർവം ബ്രഹ്മ ഉപനിഷദം മാഹ ബ്രഹ്മ നിരാകുര്യാം മാമാ ബ്രഹ്മ നിരാകരോത് അനിരാകരണമസ്തു അനിരാകരണമസ്തു തദാത്മനി നിരതേ യ ഉപനിഷത്സു ധർമാസ്തേ മയി സന്തു തേ മയി സന്തു. ഓം ശാന്തി ശാന്തി ശാന്തി.
This mantra says that Paramatma strengthens our activities, our bodies, our speech, it controls our eye, ear, all our body parts like legs, hands, etc., karmendriya, and sensing organs. That means this Paramatma is controlling our body and mind. It also acts as a link between Brahma and ourselves. It is the connecting link between Brahma and ourselves. That means Brahma has an objective to create a good loka or world. And in this creation, it creates we also have some role in the creation of this universe. We have also some karma that is to be done, because the progress on the earth is taking place with the support of human beings. That is why these human beings are created. They are acting through these human beings or through ourselves for certain development activity that is taking place on this earth. So, in that activity, we should have a good relationship with, there is a good link with the objective of this Brahma, and it is through this Paramatma. So, we should be in good harmony with the Brahman, and that is possible only through this Paramatma. That means Brahma is acting through the Paramatma, and Paramatma is controlling all our activities. It is synchronized with the objective of this Brahma. That is, it want to create a good world or good universe. And we have to take part in that activity, and we should give our contribution for the development of our country or nation, through which a good universe is going to create at the end of Kali Yuga. Based on this, we can understand actually what is the role of Paramatma in this creation process. Now take an example. If we want to build a house, the first thing we require is a good knowledge about the construction activities, that is regarding architectural engineering. That is why we are soughting the help of engineers for constructing this residence. The first thing required is knowledge. That is why in the creation of universe, the first thing that required is Veda, the knowledge. So Brahmanaspati created that knowledge. Then comes the next step. To construct a residence, we require a proper plan made based on this science. So after making this plan of the building, things will go as per this drawing. Thereafter, no one's help is required. Everyone involved in that creation, construction work will look into this plan, and they will do the work as per the details given in the plan. So the plan itself is acting as the guiding force. Likewise, in the case of government functioning, there is a budget. That also is a plan. Based on this plan, first they make this budget, and based on this budget, everything is taking place. In the case of school, there is a syllabus and there is a time schedule. So, at the proper time, correct time, the peon will ring the bell, students will be ready in their seats, the respective teachers will come to the respective classes as per this syllabus or as per this schedule. So everything will go as per schedule. That is a plan. Actually, that is a plan. Based on that plan, everything will go. In the court, there is a law. That also is a procedure in which it is to be carried out. So everything will go as per this law. If we want to construct a factory, there is a project report or master plan, based on which they will select suitable candidates, they will construct the building, and at the appropriate time, they will take the appropriate person for doing their duty, and so on. Everything will go based on that master plan. In our home itself, in our family life, there is a schedule, budget, family budget. and we are first planning based on our income and like that, and thereafter we are following the budget. If there is no budget and if you do anything as we like, everything will fail. So in all systems, a proper planning, a master plan is required. Otherwise, things will not go smoothly. It may, finally it will may fail. Definitely it will fail if there is no proper planning. So in the case of creation of universe, there is a proper plan. That is Paramatma. Everything is planned in advance before starting this creation with the support of science. Based on science principles, a plan is automatically created. That plan is called the master plan for creating this universe, and that is called Paramatma. So everything is taking place based on that Paramatma. Our birth is only also for doing some work based on that already decided plan that is in Paramatma. So at the proper time, we comes on earth and we will do our duty that is mentioned in the Paramatma. Because in computer itself, there is a software we are loading first. Based on the software, things are going. Likewise, based on that Paramatma or master plan, everything is going as per that mentioned in the Paramatma. Nobody can deviate from it. We are bound to do the job which is assigned to us as per Paramatma. That is why it is there in our heart itself, and it follows everything. That is what Veda says. That we can see in the next lesson. So there is a master plan for the creation of this universe. So Brahman, Nirguna Brahma, first came an objective, that is to create an universe. So for that, it created this science required for it. That is, we call it as knowledge or Veda, based on which there is a plan for achieving this objective. That plan is called Paramatma. We can see more in the next class. In Vedas, there are a number of statements regarding this same subject, Paramatma, that we can see in the next class.